What is good, YouTube? It's Project Grass 36 again with another video. Today we're finna clean the old school Ford. If y'all don't know, I picked this Ford up for 800 bucks. Needs a few parts, little dings here and there, but it's super dirty. You can check out the other video about the truck. We're gonna try to get some of this grime off, this mold and stuff. I think it's been sitting since 20, see the tags, 19 maybe. Yeah, it's been sitting since 2019, so it needs a little bath. Got sand and stuff underneath the wheel wells. The original factory white walls with the center hubcaps, everything's stock. And foldable mirrors and all that. It's got the 302 in there. So we're gonna pressure wash this with my lovely lady and get this thing cleaned up. So let's get to it. That's the water supply, and it goes into your, from pressure from the water pump. It'll pull pressure from here, grab the soap, dispense it through this white wire on this side, and all the way, it plugs into here. I know I haven't been around in a while. I've been working on so many cars and trying to get stuff right. But I'll have an update video coming with the 4-door and the truck and some other vehicles that we have sitting in the yard now. Said follow me.
Sorry.
Bring it over here. Now get this right here. You ready? Okay. Would you turn on the nitrous? Uh-oh. Got a homemade sprinkler system by a lawnmower. You know, that makes the best sprinkler system ever. See what's up, doggos? That kid's probably like, I'm hot. I'm hot. Make sure you clean out your rags. Every time you use them, or just go buy a new one. I still gotta clean out the tailgate one of these days. Wait now, bro. Give it a nice little bath. This truck deserves a bath. There's a big Thunderbolt back there. Half and half of the car so you guys can see the difference between both. Put that in before or the after.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Think you're slick, huh? Trying to steal my rag. Okay, I'm gonna just retrieve the rag. Alright, it's all clean. Probably move on to the next vehicular and should be pushing, but came out pretty nice. I like to see it when it dries, but all that mildew's gone for sure. A lot of scrubbing. Thank you. Now we're gonna go talk about these.